Easy fix for your Ricoh machine if you see the message, fusing belt unit needs to be replaced now. This message sometimes happens when a previous technician forgot to reset the fuser counter, and in many cases there is nothing wrong with your printer. Please follow along in this video to reset this counter. Firstly, let's log into service mode. Open the left cover on the left side of your panel. Press and hold the bottom button and tap on Check Status while holding the bottom button. You will see these numbers on your screen. Tap Reset followed by 806182 and hold C. Your machine will enter service mode. Navigate to PM Counter/New Unit Set. Tap on All PM Parts List and New Unit Set. Navigate down to Fuser Unit. Set New Unit to Yes. Tap on the previous menu button and restart your printer, and you should be all set. Hope this video helped you.